I've done about a week's work, and as a result of that, I've got the new images for males, but I have to use ChatGPT to make female faces out of them. Uh, yeah, so quite a lot of work still to do, and of course, they will need outfits, but my Runway subscription's running out, and I just don't have the time to do it at the moment. So it will have to be something I do hopefully this year. Anyway, here's just all the faces I made in the past week, and they're on the Memory Bloke website in the article about people numbered 002 99. Okay, so I've got my 50 male heads now, and I want to do a feasibility study to see if the vest that people wear will affect the outfit that a person turns up in. So let me try and show you what I'm talking about. In the Gen 4 frames reference area, I'm going to put a head. This one facing front, and this one has no vest because some of them I've taken the vest away, so it's just a head. And then I'm going to bring in the outfit. This is just a test. Person might end up with a different outfit. Although this could happen, this combination, then generate. And then as a different experiment, I'll get someone who's got a vest. So this person here, bring him in, get rid of this head, make this the first image, then generate this and see what comes out. Just over here, we've got the mess of it trying to use a reference image, and got two reference images. Didn't come out very well, but luckily I've got screenshots of what the hair should look like, and in an image editor, I sorted all that out. It took really a long time to do. Hopefully the outfits wouldn't, at least the front-facing outfits, wouldn't be a lot of trouble. For now, well, I want there to be side-facing outfits as well. So maybe I would do a turnaround of an outfit. So turn around of outfit. Generate that as well. Okay, so bearing in mind the head we're interested in is that one. Has he ended up in this with an outfit on? No, because they think that his hair is some sort of a cloth. So I'd have to do some extra work on that one. Maybe I need to say more in the prompt to make it clearer that it's hair and not a cloth on the head. And this one ends up relatively well on an outfit, which is good. On the hair colour, it might be different to what we started with. So look, that's pretty close. And then turn around. That that could be very useful. A couple of goes at that. Turns out the outfit at different angles could be very useful for future work.